Welcome back, YouTube, to another episode of Making Investment Simple. Guys, we have a great video today. I hope you guys will enjoy. Welcome back to Karis Investment, guys. My name is Ken. I'm an entrepreneur investor in the stock market, in real estate, and in small business. Guys, we are looking today at Lordstown Motor. Now, if you guys take a look, we can see the stock is down 10% for the day. It opens up a little bit okay. It opened up just around 30.90 before we can see this huge pullback. Now, this pullback is heavily due to a few things. One, there was rumor speculating in terms of the short squeeze that we saw in terms of the vehicle that the CEO or the company reported that they sold. And second, we can see that the earning was missed by 16 cents, which is not a big deal. It's the first earning. It's the first earnings report since the company goes public. Now, if we look back here in the last 3 months, we can see that Lodstown Motor crosses that $30 per share mark twice. Everything was looking great. There was a great upside to the company. And then if we look in the last month, we can see it was a complete downhill trend. Now, for anyone that was trading down, anyone that was shorting this stock, you could have made a lot of money by shorting this stock because we can see the company has dropped approximately 65% to date right now in the last month. But the good news is that if you guys didn't get a chance to get in the early rise of Lordstown Motor, if we look back here, we could see a similar playback in October. We can see the stock, it breaks is that $30 mark. That's what I'm saying, guys. It's very important. I keep the exact same strategy, is that we want to keep buying low and sell high, because if we look back here, we could see, let's just make it a year out. So we can see back here where the company is coming from. From October, we see it rise up in that $30. Obviously, everyone was excited in terms of the IPO, but then we saw there's a huge pullback. Now, for anyone that got in anywhere in the $15 to $20, that was okay entry, because then you could have easily sold at $30 per share. Now, again, we saw the same pullback in December. The stock was down in the low teens again, and then we saw a huge rise again back in the 30s. Now, in the last month specifically, there was a lot of noise going on around this sector. Now we can see the price continues to drop. Right now, trading at below 13.36 per share. We can see it's 11% down for the day. So for anyone that missed out in the last 6 months to get in on this company, we can see the price. What we're seeing right now is prices that we saw back in November. So anyone that got an interest in this company, and if you missed out on an opportunity to buy in, then this would be a perfect call for you guys to go in and to place an order. Now, again, guys, this is not financial advice. By no means I'm letting you guys know to buy the stock if you're not interested. Please do your research to make sure that anything that you invest in the stock market, you truly believe in. That's how I invest. But in terms of Lordstown, guys, I do think the company will make a bounce back. Now, I have a lot of EV stocks in different sectors. As you guys know, I'm in the Teslas, I'm in the Neo, I'm in the Blink, I'm in the Plug. So you can only have like so many stock, right? I'm in Luminar. We can see that Luminar is starting to catch some steam this morning as well. So, but this is very interesting to me. I have been eyeing Lodstown to get more shares, but again, I have to see what the day pulls out for me. If I could get some more free cash, so I could dump some money in Lordstown before we get a rebound. No, I don't believe this company is going back on like the $9 per share or $10 per share. I truly believe that it will rise back in the 20s. It's just a matter of time, and then obviously in the 30s and 40s for weeks and months to come. So for anyone that's looking for a long-term investment, it may not be a best bet for something that you day trading or something that you short-term, because in terms of the price goes a little bit lower. If you have a mid to long-term on a mindset, then definitely you can wait this out. If we look right now in the last, I would say last 5 days, we can see the stock is floating around the exact same price, right, in the low 14. and we can see that it crosses that 1630 before pulling back, based on the earnings and the speculation that's going on. So for anyone that's interested, definitely you can do some research to make sure it's the right investment for you. But in terms of the sector, we could see the sector is down this morning. If we look at Plug Power, still they're still trying to recover from that bad news. They're trading just around $37 per share. If we look at Fuel Cell as well, this kind of missed their revenue, similar pattern to Lordstown. They're trading at 14.95. And if we also look at Workhorse, right, in terms of missing and that contract, it's still an attractive buy at $15.80. So we do have other options, I have to say, but at the same time, Lordstown is a great opportunity for anyone that's trying to get in. It's trading at 13.40, and the price may fluctuate for the day. That's understandable. But guys, I'm letting you know right now, I am very excited because I will be getting more shares. I'm just waiting to close off a few of the call options in my other account. Then I'll transfer some funds over to buy more shares of Lordstown. These are the opportunities that I wait for. And I let you guys know my philosophy is I buy low, sell high. We can see in the last 5 days, I've been doing the exact same thing. If we look at the market yesterday when it opens up, it was in the 1460s for a while, and I was able to close off a trade by the end of market around $15.10. No, the great thing is because the market just opened, I bought a small amount of share back, but I do need more cash flow to get a lot more volume of shares because um, we can see the volume right now trading is 6+ million. So it will be a little bit liquid for the day. And I like this type of market because the price could go either way. So for anyone that's trying to get in, I want to post this video as fast as I can. I don't want to stretch it out because I want to make sure if you guys are subscribed to my channel and if you're not aware of what's going on, then you will get an alert that tells you that, okay, I post a video in terms of Lordstown motor. I will put the subject line, or I could say the title, that Lordstown motor is down based on earnings. It's a great buy opportunity. So at least when you guys get that alert, it tells you what the video about. I'm not trying to make you have any clickbait or anything. I'm telling you guys exactly what the video is about. So if you guys want to get in, at least you get a head start by getting that alert. And this is why I tell people that, listen, I'm not looking for subscribers to grow bigger than what it is, but it's just show the appreciation. If you guys like the content, like the alerts, then it's a no-brainer. You can subscribe. If you just want the alert, subscribe so you can get notified. Because at the end of the day, guys, if you're not subscribed to a few channels, you won't really know what the price is if you're not following the stock. And this is a great opportunity for you to be in the know and to know when you get the alerts that, hey, because as I said, I only make videos when I'm trading. I don't make videos on stocks that I'm not following or trading. So if you're following this channel, it's very beneficial for you. You can see the prices is starting to go right now. So I don't want to drag this video on because I want to give you guys an opportunity. So I'm going to post this video right away with less editing. So whoever is not watching could get a head start to get some shares in the low 1330 to 1360 if it starts to pull back. So until next time, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know if I've made a difference for you guys. Now, until next time, peace out.